Hi guys, so we're at the Gun Power Tool stand here at IWA 2026, and they've got, so I normally recommend the iFixit kit, and I've just seen these and had a little play with them, and we're going to just ask some quick questions with these guys. So, why should people buy these over other toolkits?
Okay, so why should we buy these? So if you see online, obviously there's multiple millions of tools online right now, right? You can get it in, for example, Temu Taobao for 5-10 euros or something. But if you look at ours, first of all, it comes in a very nice little looking box. And second of all, if you look at them, they're very, very well made and comes in all sorts of sizes and everything that you need for maintaining, adjusting Airsofts or even equipment as in optics.
Yep.
Yeah. So I think we definitely have an edge over our competitors.
So what's the case made out of, the actual case first?
Aluminum, but with a Cerakote.
With a Cerakote, so it's tough, durable, and hard.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, I did give these a tap, and they do feel really, really, really sturdy. With the bits as well, are they going to be available to purchase separately? Because one thing that happens to me quite often is someone will go, "Can I borrow your toolkit?" And then it'll come back and it'll be missing a bit.
Wow.
It happens a lot.
Well, for now,
it's only a set.
It's only going to come in a set.
Okay, cool. But would that be something that you might explore in the future, is being able to sell the bits individually?
Yeah, because that's definitely a market to explore.
Yeah.
Sure.
That's really, really cool. So, the driver then. Obviously, these are somewhat loosely based on bullets. Let's get a shot of that. Some of them more obviously, such as this one, which is based on the 50 BMG. Look at the size of that one. So that's a really, really big driver. And one thing I can't help but notice is these are really easy to grip. So those grooves there, that is really, really nice. But is there any way to use another tool in order to get a bit more torque, or would you recommend then switching to that to get the extra torque?
Well, for example, obviously, you will have to see this is the more basic tools that you can get for your daily. It's your daily driver, right?
Yeah.
But if you have, for example, everyone in Airsoft, people will sometimes get a aim point T1, T2 or something like that, and you want something with a bit more precision.
Yeah.
You want to get something like this.
So, I see. It's got torque settings on it.
Yes.
That's
exactly.
brilliant. I like that. You've sold it to me already. I'm definitely going to be buying these for myself. Well done. This sells itself. The carbon fiber as well. That looks amazing. All of the different drivers, and the fact that it's torque settings as well. I absolutely love that.
One for now. And this should come in next year Q4. This is the electronical one.
Electronic as well.
Yeah, it will come in also in this set, but in a bit more basic, in a more basic tool set. But the price will be the same, but just with less options.
Is that for this one? Was it?
Yes, for this set particularly.
That's brilliant. The iFixit kit that I have, it does not have a torque driver. So to get a torque driver with that, all the bits that you'd need commonly in Airsoft, that's brilliant. Absolutely
obviously,
brilliant.
everything all made in Taiwan.
And it's all made in Taiwan, which we all love as Airsofters. We do love that. I mean, let's be honest, we all love VFC, right?
Yeah.
And even 4UAD as well. Yeah, love those guys.
Awesome.
I absolutely love them. I use their stuff all the time. Right, well, thank you very much, guys. It's been an absolute pleasure talking to you, and I can't wait to buy these myself.
Yeah.
Take care.